Agriculture, Science and Health. 6. Unit 1. The circulatory and nervous system. The human body is composed of various systems that work in an orderly manner. These different body systems enable the person to grow and multiply.
Hunong. Pag naitulok, hunong.
Two of this system will be studied in this unit.
Studied na, di na stupid.
Studied in this unit, the circulatory and the nervous system. How do this system help us grow, enjoy, and be productive in the world we live in? Find out.
Sige.
Science and Health.
Ayaw na napila. Ayaw na napila ng page.
Lesson 1. The circulatory system. You have studied some of the body system. One of them is the
Digestive
system. It breaks the
complex
food you eat into simpler forms for absorption by body cells. But how do the simple form of food reach the body cells? They reach the cells through the circulatory system. It is also the same system that picks up all waste produced by body cells.
Sige.
Can you name the organs that make up the circulatory system? Look at the illustration of the circulatory system. All living cells in the human body need nutrients that come from food. Food provides the cells with energy. The cells use energy to do their different functions. For the organisms to live. To live this function include
digestion,
repair of tissues,
next,
and
dili kanin,
excretion, reproduction, respiration, and circulation. The heart, and blood vessels are the major components of the circulatory system. Blood is the fluid component that circulates throughout the body. It carries the nutrients to the cells. The blood delivers oxygen to the tissues. The blood also collects all waste products from the cells and transports these primarily to the lungs and kidneys for oxygenation and excretion, respectively.
Kanina dayon.
The human circulatory system, science and
Ayun na lagi apila ng science. Sige.
Heart, blood inside the blood vessels.
Next.
Hawaja, sakit mata, oy. Sakit kayo.
Sakit man. Ina.
The blood moves through the blood vessels. The blood vessels are to be like structures that differ in thickness and size. The thickest vessels are called arteries. Saan ang arteries? Next in size are veins, and the smallest are the capillaries. The heart pumps the blood to the different parts of the body. The heart's pumping action provides force. This force enables the blood to move from the heart to all parts of the body. Do the following activity that will enable you to contract an open single Tesa, iluwag sa nako ni sakit kay kong mata. Enable you to contract an open single circulatory system. This model shows the blood flowing through the heart. Model of the heart. Activity 1.1. Want to make a simple model of the heart, you will need clear tubbings, a plastic bottle, white tube, adhesive tape, rubber, trapper, and red color liquid to attach the clear tubbings to the white tube. As shown, use the tip to hold the tubes in space. Adhesive tape, white tube, rubber stopper, clear plastic bottle, red colored liquid. 3. Insert the white tube into the rubber stopper of the small bottle filled with red colored liquid. 4. Now you have made a model of a single circulatory system. 5. Squeeze the bottle until what happens to the red liquid what was applied on the bottle to make the liquid move. What does the plastic bottle represent? 6. Represent 6. Recall the kind of muscle muscle ikasamok gid aning dinakalingi sama kayo. Muscle tissue that makes up the heart This maskul.